at the shop. Got my buddy Thurston's car in here. Been working on this thing hard all last week, but it's the weekend coming up and Gridlife's happening. So we're taking this guy out to Horse Thief Mile and we're gonna get our first high-speed drifting in, if you call that high speed. I mean, it's higher speed than balcony, I guess. So yeah, wish us luck. We're gonna have some fun and we're gonna load her up and get the heck out of here. Head up tomorrow afternoon and barbecue at the track, hang out, do a nut and bolt check on this thing, and go hit the track on Sunday. So let's get on with it. We are approaching Willow Springs. Made it. About 3:30. We're gonna get some lunch at the diner and go do a nut and bolt check on the car. Get ready for tomorrow. Looks like it's pretty packed over there. Streets looks packed. Horse Thief pits looks like there's already a few people, so hopefully we get a good spot. But we're here. All set up out here for Gridlife. Doing my nut and bolt check right now. My blanket was blown away, so I had to put some stuff on it here. But yeah, nut and bolt check the rear, nut and bolt check the front, and we'll get ready for tomorrow. Gonna barbecue up some carne, have ourselves a good time. Now, as you can see, the pits are filling up. We got a good spot. And tomorrow, we're driving up there, behind that porta potty. It's nice that they left, you know, my name here on my pits for me. Very nice of them. All right, nut and bolt check time. Yo, what's up, man? Boop. Damn.
What's good, man?
Chilling. Just finished up the nut and bolt check on this thing. Nothing left to do but drop it on the ground, torque the wheels, and set tire pressure. Put the bumpers on it. But we are good to go for tomorrow. Alex Pfeiffer leaving his bottle of Jaeger behind the car. He'll remember to get that, trust me. But yeah, everything's looking good. Looking good, looking set up. We are ready to go. Let's see what tomorrow holds. Okay, no time to explain. Doing work with this thing. Trying to figure out if we have blown head gasket or not. I don't think we do, but for now, I'm gonna go drive this 36. My buddy Jake's gonna let me drive. We gonna tandem.
I don't know, you're tall as fuck. There's no split.
Hi,
man, I'm Thad.
nice to meet you, boss.
Jake's brother.
I'm gonna be nice to her.
You mind if I ride with you?
No, go for it, man.
Sweet.
Yeah.
I'm gonna chase you because I'm slow.
Okay.
You won't have fun chasing. I mean, this car's still slow, but it's an S52. Mine's an M50.
So cool.
All right, let's do it.
Yeet.
Yeah, I think he pulled down. He must have had something to shoot.
Yeah. That was a cool lap though.
Yeah, thanks, man. That was fun.
Less power than
Oh yeah. Yeah.
than the E30. Huh?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay.
Your brother's tire popped. He went back to the place.
Oh,
okay.
That's what happened.
I mean, if Jake's, I'm gonna go out and drive, and then when Jake's ready, I'll toss you the keys again. So it was nice to meet you, dude.
Okay, checking over this thing. Had a really weird issue. Went to check the coolant level this morning, and there was pressure in the cooling system when it was cold. So that led me down a whole path of thinking I've blown head gasket and all this stuff. Did a pressure test. Seems to be coming out all right. Yeah, it's only dropped like slightly. So I don't think it's a blown head gasket. I think I'm just gonna pull that thing out of there and go send it. But yeah, just kind of weird. I ran it, drove it around for a minute, let it get hot, and then cooled it off, and it wasn't pressurized after that. So obviously it depressurized while it cooled off that time, but it didn't depressurize while it cooled off the last time. So confusion, but we're gonna go drive it and see what it does. Hopefully it doesn't overheat. And now for a quick session. Let's see if this thing overheats on me.
Andy.
Oh, what's up, dude? How you doing? Yo,
I fucking DB'd it on initiation.
It's
I was
coming.
like, fuck.
I'm gonna head up and do a quick session. It held 20 the whole time, so
Sick. Okay.
Yeah,
I just
yeah.
all right. Cool.
we got
Kill
like
it,
10
dude.
minutes.
Hello, boys and girls. We're back in the shop. That's all for Gridlife. I actually forgot to bring my memory cards out, so that's all the footage I got. Didn't even get to do my outro while I was there. But the car did good. No overheating issues. Don't believe we have a blown head gasket or anything. I think we are okay, and gonna give her a looks over and get ready for Orlando. Probably gonna do another alignment, another corner balance now that the car is fully complete, and head back out to Willow and do some testing on Walt James Stadium out there, which is a pretty similar bank to Florida, at least as similar as I can get it. So back on to Thurston's car here. Got a bunch of work to do on that, and I'll be releasing a video on it here pretty soon, because that thing is a nightmare. Yep. See you guys later. Thanks for watching. Until next time, boys and girls.